your user level, if the roles are assigned or not, that roles is active or not, that roles assigned to ledger or not, that you need to check it. That 3 steps. Otherwise, run the LDAP schedule check. 4 steps. Next. Go to journals option.
After go to home page.
Yeah, sorry. Go to general accounting. Go to journals. You can do the test. I told you, you need to see the Bhavya Cement here. Somebody using my username and don't use my username. You can create your username and do the testing. Okay, right. See, note down, this is the dashboard and this is the dashboard. This we can call dashboard to give the status to the users. Dashboard. EBS people note down, this option is not available in EBS. Dashboard. This is a new concept. See. So Fusion facility given the dashboards. Dashboards to know the status. In EBS we don't have that facility. Dashboards.
సార్ ఇక్కడ బిఐ టూల్స్ వచ్చినాయి కాబట్టి మనకి డాష్ బోర్డ్స్ అనేవి ప్రెజెంట్.
See, if you have time, you can go and read it. What is the benefit of dashboard? Name, dashboard is the name to facilitate to give the status to the users. Okay, you can read this theory, Oracle theory. Dashboard is the facility to give the status. Items you are want to approve, completed or not, errors or not, count of issue, status of self-monitoring. These are all things. This we can call dashboard. Clear? Right. EBS people are there, right? Dinesh, Shravan, Arun, sorry, not Arun. Arun, Sudhir, Srinivas, Surya, you are there, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, if somebody asking what is the new functionality in the GL, you should communicate this is the option requiring attention. If you are following the general approval here, you can see incomplete transaction if there are any pending. If you are importing the data from source systems, subledger APR, there are any errors, you can review this one. Okay, right. Next one. Go to task pane. Go to task pane. Just read it. Go to task pane. PANE. Go to task pane or go to task. Just read it.
What to do in this page, sir?
It
General
will give the status and we are not doing anything. It is just a status.
Okay.
Manage journal, right, sir?
Okay. No, first read it. What are the functionalities I am eligible to through this task pane? Manage journals. Means query the.
So once you go they show me the paths of navigation.
This is the basic navigation, Sunday, which you need to remember. Go to home page, go to general accounting, go to journals. Then go to task pane. Manage journals means you can inquiry or search the existing journal. Create a journal. You are ready to create a new journal entry or adding the new journal entry. Create create journals in spreadsheet. We can download the Excel sheet. We can keep all data. We can import it to Oracle. Create encumbrance journal, budget-based journal, auto post, auto reverse, manage approvals. If you are using the approval between the employees, it will give the manage approval. Then accounting reconciliation, allocation, journal import, sub-ledger accounting journals review for reconciliation, taxable transaction. Okay, right. Go to
Generals
create
is
a journal.
debit and credit transactions, right?
Yeah. Go to create a journal. Go to create a journal. Who will create it? Real-time accountants, business users will create from Bhavya company. But here as a HSRIAN, I am trying to do the test. Okay. Go to create a journal. Go to create a journal. It will take you to the another page. Create a journal. So just read it. Read it. What are the fields are there? Journal batch optional. No star mark. Description optional. Balance type actual original journal. Accounting period we open the July already. It is populating. Attachments we can attach the PDF text anything. Source I am doing the manual journal. Approval I did not enable at ledger level, so it is showing not required. Funds status we are not using the budget based accounting now. It is showing the not required. Batch status is unposted. First journal status is unposted. Later we will post it. Complete status is incomplete. Then journal description, your ledger name defaulted because of the data access set. Your period date will be opened based on the system date calendar. Category, currency, your ledger currency is the INR. Today's date, then you can see the lines. You can expand it, show more. You can see the control total. Each journal batch you can give the control total. You can see action log, who initiated the journal, who approved, who completed. Show more you can see. Right, control total, sequencing number, reversal for correction of the journal. Okay. So as a consultant, you need to review the, read and review the journal entry. It is important.
Can you please tell us the general batch difference between general batch and general?
1 minute. General batch is the name. Under general batch, you can create one journal. Let me, like group name, amma. Intermediate time, we have the A section, B section, C section, right? Like that. General batch is the group name. Create single journal or n number of journals to reduce the time. Next, node.
Even business end users have to go with the same process.
Journal batch, you can give the today's date as a journal batch. Description, you can write it. Go to journal, give the rent paid to builder for the month of July. Sorry, June. Then you can pay, you can note down rent paid. Then category here, select it. Expenses or something. As of now, take the other. Take the other. Okay. Note down.
So in scheduling process, if you don't find ledger name, what do you have to do, sir? Sometimes.
Where?
So in scheduling the process, sir. In scheduling, we have
Data access set, we need to check it.
date access, sir.
హలో
Yeah.
సార్ ఇక్కడ అటాచ్మెంట్స్ అంటే బిల్ కాపీస్
అవునండి, అవును. You can do the attachments also. Excel sheet or Word document or something.
ఓకే
Excel sheet, Word document. Okay. Then go to lines. See, journal consists of journal batch name, journal name means purpose of the journal, journal lines. So first status is unposted, then post. Make it.
Sir, could you repeat last one?
Journal consists of unposted status. When we enter, later it will become the posted. So unposted journal ready to modify. Once posted, we can't delete, we can't modify. Next, go to journal lines. If you want, you can expand this one in the columns also. Okay, then INR is our ledger currency. Go to here, select the combination. Company, department, accounts, product. We don't give product. Okay, clear? So this will be entered by user. User will understand what is the combination should enter, what is the department should enter. That they will know, but they want to know how to enter just a journal. But same journal window is the same in the all ERPs, in the Tally also. Clear?
Sir, that location for Sri Lanka, right, sir?
Location is not required.
Okay.
We are paying the rent per head office. If you want, you can choose it. If you don't know location, select the default value.
Okay.
Clear?
Business user will go to the same process, sir, for the journal entry.
Yes, ma'am. See, journal entry, data entries, all applications same. Even Tally also, SAP ERP, Oracle ERP same. But page appearance will be differentiated. Features are differentiated. Clear?
Sir, Nasima sir, in badge journals, how many entries we can post, sir?
N number of them.
In number of, it's not countable.
Yes. Okay. Click the OK button.
Sir, here we can input the Excel sheet with the data.
That we will discuss after a couple of sections. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Click OK.
Excuse me, sir. Hello? Hello, sir.
Yeah, I am there, sir.
Under the currency, they showing that INR and scrolling and drop down box is also there, no?
That we will discuss tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. Next, enter 10,000. When you enter 10,000, system added the 2 zeros as per your company, your currency precision number. India is a 2 precision. If Japan entry, no. If it is Bahrain, 3 precision. Depend on the currency code precision, it will be populated here. Then enter 001. So we will pay the cash or check. So whatever segment values you defined under value set, if you remember, those values will be populated here. Without defining the any value, it doesn't show.
Sir, as we know that Oracle is not allowed for the cash transactions.
Yeah, that's true. You can use cash or bank account. Click OK. Then I'm entering 10,000. So one debit line, one credit line. Always debited amount, credited amount should be equivalent at company code level as a primary balance. So go save and close, save and create another. Complete or
Can you
post.
please
Just
Sir, if
save.
debit and credit transactions are not tallied, then what is happening?
Then we will test that scenario. Negative scenario we will test.
Sir, for every entry we need to pass debit and credit.
Yes.
Sir, actually, in that rent paying, he has paid 1,000 rupees as advance. We can add that one line as advance.
Yes, some ways.
Okay.
Okay.
How do we identify what is the credit, what is the debit?
Are you from non-commerce student?
Yes, sir.
That depend on the transaction and what comes in. See, there is the 3 rules are there and non-commerce people, just let me wait. We can call golden rules in account. See, we have the personal account. Okay. Receiver as a debit. Giver as a credit. Means giver means అతను తీసుకునే అతన్ని డెబిటార్ అంటారు. రియల్ అకౌంట్ వాట్ కమ్స్ ఇన్ డెబిట్, వాట్ గోస్ అవుట్ యాజ్ క్రెడిట్. నామినల్ expenses, losses for our company as a debit. Revenue, profit, we can call gain as credit. This is 3 golden rules. Now, rent is expenses for our company. So debit. It is taking this leg. Cash, I am paying to vendor or provider. Money is going out from our company as a credit. Clear?
Sir, what is real account?
What comes in them? If you buy any item, computer or machinery, whatever items are coming to our organization, that we can call debit, like expenditure or as a asset.
No, sir, real account.
Real account only I am saying. Example, real account example, what comes in debit, what goes out credit. Example, material purchase. Okay. Material is coming to our premises, debit. Cash or check is going credit. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Computer purchased. Material debit. Sorry. Computer debit. Cash credit. Okay. So I got the intermediate and I completed my intermediate 1997 to 99. First year I got 83 out of 100. Second year 80. So I was the college first for account, not college rank. Accounting part I was the, so I changed the records and at that year 83. First year and second year accounts 83. So my sir expected 90, but I could not able to reach. Okay. So anyone got 83 or 80 plus 90 plus in our batch? Account
90, sir.
92, sir.
96.
Wait. I will
84, sir.
1 minute. I will keep in my mind your names. Tomorrow, if any examples come, I will ask you. Tell me who got it.
I got 80, sir. Not 90.
90, sir.
I got 96.
Tell me your name here. Name.
95, sir. Arvind.
Chaitanya, sir, 90.
Narsimha. Arvind, 95, sir.
Oh, Superman. Right.
Narsimha, 96.
Nowadays, 90 you can achieve one day. But my education time, that will be more corrective, right?
Sir, Balaji,
Customer account.
Okay, right. This is the basic things. Right. Go here. Just save it. See, once I save the journal, I am eligible to override the amount, combination or any amount. Then click the post. Click the post. Click the post. Here you can see batch action, copy, delete. Before posting, you can delete it. You can copy the unposted to new journal, posted to new journal. You can print it. You can see the add one more journal under batch. You can see the T accounts, ledger account. Okay. Then click the post button. What exactly will happen? Posting time, system will do the some validation. Or not. Amount is the equivalent or not. It will be verify whether it should go to post status or whether it should go to error message. System will be decided. See, I post button. When you click the post button, system initiated the one scheduled job, change it to posted and complete status. Now this journal doesn't allow to delete. The journal will not allow to modify it. Once posted, system never allows to do the modification, correction as per Oracle standard functionality. Clear?
Sir, what if entry is wrong?
That we will have the reversal journal entry or adjustment entry that we will discuss after a couple of classes. Okay. Now take the positive examples.
Okay.
Then next, once posted, next go to scheduled job, check the program name. Next step, click the post button, go to scheduled process, go to scheduled process. It will run the some backend program. See here, post journals per single ledger option. Post journals per single ledger program will be completed. Here you can see log and output. Output means it will give the result that you need to practice and as a consultant. See, journal batch name, journal period name. Okay, right. H3R that was updated in the space cubes as well. Okay, next one. 1 minute. Journals unposted to posted. Program submitted by Automaker. Next, review the journal or inquiry the journal. Next note on continuation within that review or inquiry the journal. Right. Go to same navigation home. Go to journals. Go to journals. There is no errors for our testing, no import error, no require attention, so it is not showing any data. Then go to task pane, click the manage journals. Click the manage journals. So manage journal will allow to do the inquiry of the data. Go to manage journal. Manage journal page. System never allow us to create a new journal. Always it will allow to do the inquiry. So you want to inquire the journal by name or batch name or source name, category wise, batch status. You want to check the unposted, Select for posting status journal, processing, posted or something. If you want to see the more search engine, go to add fields. You can search with the many field, accounting, date wise, period wise, category wise. There are many fields are there. So search the source called manual. We are entered manual. Status, click search button. So whatever journals are there, you can search here with the unposted or posted status. Now you can see here. From this window, you can expand it. You can click here. It will take you to the journal page, but it doesn't allow to modify it. Because once posted, journal never allow us to modify. Clear? Now status is posted. Then you can see the T accounts, ledger accounts, balances. Here you can see PTD, period to date. See. We have to explore day by day. We have to explore the all things. Sometimes I may miss some point. You can explore, no problem. Then I created. Next, run the reports. Run GL reports. We can call standard reports. Now client will ask us, or Virat Kohli will ask us, Narsim, I want to, my users are entered, I enter journal posted. I want to know, I want to print the journal. So what I need to do? So simple, go to reports and run it. Go to reports, run it. Then go to scheduled process, go to navigator, go to scheduled processes. Then go to schedule a new process. So go to search engine, go to search engine, name called journals. You can just type it, how many reports are there belongs to journal. So here you can see the journals, right? You can see the journal. Suppose if you don't know the name, you can see the delete journal, import journal, general ledger journal entry report. So you can see the many names. Daily journal report, journal posting report. You can see the journal entries report, journal entries are journal day book, journal detail report. Next, run the journal day book. This is mainly for manager's purpose. This is mainly for manager's purpose. If any manager is running this program report, these are the details he can expect. Journal's day book. You can run the all reports and which belongs to journal. No problem. It won't impact anything.
Means that are DFF, sir?
No, this is a report.
Okay.
Printing and manager will ask us to print it. Okay. So go and run remove the source and the category. You want to do the device, you want to do the week wise, you want to do the range of the dates, balancing segment, your ledger name, currency, everything you can see. Just submit. You need to do more explore and reports wise. Interview question is there. Tell me some standard reports in GL. tell me some standard reports in AP. Tell me some standard reports in so and so.
Sir, TB and balance sheet okay.
I will tell you, Nanda. Okay, right. So go to General Day book report. Go to General Day book report. See, this is the vision instance. Many people are submitting this one. So go to General Day book, succeeded. Then go to output file, republish. You need to do explore and this one. You may not note down everything, but you need to explore. Go to action, export. Here you can see HTML page you can download, PDF, RTF, PPT, data, Excel sheet, CSV. Many clients will use the PDF Excel sheet. This is a great facility in the Fusion. Right. Now you can see the report. Bhavya Cement India Private Limited. You can see the journal. How many journals are created? What is the important this one? You can go and read and download, print out. So you can do your experiments. Clear? Too many doubts?
హలో
Yes.
సార్ ఇది అకౌంట్ క్యాష్ త్రూ క్యాష్ పే చేస్తాం కదా రెంట్ ఇక్కడ. ఇప్పుడు బ్యాంక్ ద్వారా పే చేస్తుంటే మనం అకౌంట్ లో
Even bank also you can type it bank also.
ఓకే, అది అకౌంట్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి కదా, వాల్యూ సెట్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవాలి కదా.
Yep. Yes. Correct. Exactly. Okay. Right. So you guys can go and practice this way. Okay. You guys can go and practice this way. Yeah, please.
Sir, these statements are, these reports are standard reports, right? Themselves already prepared the format. But can we create the format user defined?
Yeah, that we can call customization.
Yes.
That will be done by technical team when we have requirement.
Okay.
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Narasimha sir, starting you said that open period by scheduled program. In that first time you did not, we did not see that ledger name, and after that the ledger name is visible. How
No.
you?
I changed the program name and first I selected the open accounting period. Second
Okay.
time I selected the open GL periods. I will recheck.
Open GL periods. Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Then
Sir, can we create permissions for the end user for posting journal entry? Certain
Yes.
amounts?
yes. single journal. Next note down critical report. Next note trial balance report. One of the biggest important report. Next note down trial balance. This is one of the important. Run the GL trial balance. Sorry. Spelled ERIAL and not ERAIL. It should come the general ledger trial balance. Last batch also I used to show
General ledger,
trial balance.
journal and balance.
No, that is different. Okay. So I will recheck it, that program name. It should come, trial balance report. Right, next. So you guys can go and try to practice journals. Okay. And do the testing and confirm me. Okay. So I'm going to stop the section. Any doubts?
So in starting you said you'll check the general accounting tab in home page. I said I did it yesterday.
Okay, then any doubts subject related?
Sir, I'm unable to log into Oracle application. Can you please check my username?
Can you share the username password?
Yeah, sir, yes.
Arish.
Arish, I will check it. I will check it.
Okay.
Can you ping to my WhatsApp so that I will recheck it?
Yes, sir, I'm pinging.
Sir, I think instance link it is not working, sir.
Which instance?
Yes, sir, we tried 3 instance link.
Sir, I'll send you.
Instances were not properly working, sir.
Which instance, URL you need to see. Instance is name. Which instance?
Sir, I will send you. Arish.Bandari.
So, sir, just now I have pinged in chat, sir, that URL it is not working, sir.
There might be down. Yeah, this is the.
Yes.
No.
Sir, I've shared my instance link yesterday. Can you help me resolve the issue?
Can you show me how to create journals, sir?
How to create
journals once again? Creation of journals.
Already I explained, Babu. You should ask me before this this topic. I already asked you. Please tell me any doubt subject. Okay. Tomorrow I will show you again and no issues. Okay. Tomorrow I will repeat it.
Sir, if possible, can you take a class on review class like COA to today's topic, sir?
Join today's section 8:30 to 10. Same link. Okay. I'm going to explain the project name, calendar, currency.
Okay.
Sir, employer role not assigned, sir.
So here employee not required, no? We created user like you did yesterday week only. So
yeah, employee is not much important.
Yes.
Their employee is to run the reports, sir.
Yes.
Sir, at what time, sir, class will be?
So what in case if we don't
Is there, Shilpa? You need to click this one.
Okay. No,
Otherwise-
actually I clicked, but is it because of yesterday deployment was not successful? So
No, that is different. Deployment only up to, otherwise you can go to navigator. Here also you can find general account.
Okay.
You can go for two navigation, either navigator or home page.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Hello, sir. This is Rajesh, sir.
Sir, can you check mine?
Okay. Who? Ramya?
No, Likita.
What is the problem?
Sir, my deployment is successful. No, unsuccessful. Sorry.
Is there any like a CY name showing in that deployment level?
Sir, it's let me check.
So let us connect at 10 o'clock and you can
Okay.
call me, I will check it. I have the section at 8:30 for some new students.
Okay.
So 10 o'clock you can call me. I will log in the instance, I will recheck it.
Okay, sir.
This is you want me to call you?
What is the problem, Ramya?
Actually, I am trying to create the segments, so it actually created in department. So again, I was trying to create it, but the company and everything, but I'm unable to connect it, sir.
Now I will show you. In this user also I can verify because global instance, right?
Yes, sir.
Tell me your COI name.
SGC. It's Surya Gold Cement.
Are you connecting from America or Hyderabad?
USA, sir. America, sir.
Okay. Tell me the name.
It's SGC. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you created correctly only.
But I'm unable to see the next step, sir.
Okay, this one completed. So
Yes.
should you create structure here?
Yes, sir.
It should be enabled. Exactly correct one.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Next step for
Assign all segments. Anyway, you created the value sets, right?
Yes, sir.
So once you active, only this structure will show in the next level. Until checkbox is enabled, doesn't show in the structure instance level. Structure always active.
Okay, sir.
That is it. Try after some time this one. Don't disable it, don't disable. Always enabled structures only.
No,
will be
first
shown
it
in
was
the next.
unable, sir. So I was unable to see the segment. So that's why I have disabled.
No, don't disable.
Yes, sir.
If you go to structure instance, your structure name should be shown here. Yes, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, GC is not shown.
It's there.
Because
No, it's there, sir. Yeah.
okay. Otherwise, if you go to create a button, you can see. Coming now.
Yeah, this I was unable to see in the morning.
So recheck it and confirm it. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Okay, I tried a lot, sir, but there's a
Okay, no problem. Now try.
Sure, sir.
I have a problem for giving access in ledger.
Okay. Simple and ledger level, don't get confusion. That is the understandable one.
Hello?
Go to manage data access per user. Harish, I will check it at 10 o'clock. We will log in. Okay. Don't feel, Harish. Why Narasimha sir is not seeing my
Sir,
work?
10 o'clock I'm busy, sir. I'm on.
So I am also busy here. Then when we will connect?
Night 9 o'clock.
Hello, sir. This is Rajesh, sir.
I will call you night, sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Go to, yes, Amma, yes.
Sir, can I call you at 10 o'clock, sir?
Night,
Sir, now, sir.
now okay.
Okay, sir.
హలో సార్ సార్ ఇప్పుడు 8:30 బ్యాకప్ క్లాస్ ఉందా సార్?
ఉంది.
ఓకే సార్, స్టార్టింగ్ నుండి ఏనా లేకుంటే ఎట్లా సార్?
లాగిన్ అవన్నీ తెలుస్తాయి. యూజర్ నేమ్, రోల్, security. What is the problem here?
My period was
security context.
Tell me your name. Tell me your name.
VEE. VEE.
Username.
Yes, sir. VEE. VV.
Vera.
VEE. RABA. Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the ledger name?
India Cement, sir.
Narasimha sir, remaining person can we leave?
Yeah, you can leave it.
Thank you.
Now you can see, right?
No, sir. I have already entered all the values, sir. But whenever I enter into period option, there it is showing 2022 years, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have a problem here, sir. The security context value I could not find. That my ledger is not showing there.
Okay.
Hello.
1 minute. 1 minute. One by one I will check it.
Okay, sir.
Hello. The backup class is same link,
Same link. I think this is the last backup and the problem is here. Once we started the classes only, people will join.